Welcome to Beautyistic, where we always bring you the latest and most detailed beauty product insights. Let's jump straight into a product that's not only practical, but promises to elevate your at-home spa experience. It's the OmySalon Pedicure Cart Foot Bath Trolley. Whether you're a professional in the beauty industry or just someone who loves to pamper yourself at home, this trolley might just be the perfect addition to your beauty routine. The OmySalon Pedicure Cart is designed to help streamline your pedicure and foot care routine. Its compact yet versatile design offers a folding board for your manicure lamp, while the opposite side provides a soft PU cushion for foot massages. It's not just about functionality. This cart's smooth, anti-collision design makes it aesthetically pleasing and safe for use, whether you're in a salon or at home. Made from high-quality, durable materials, it promises long-lasting service without the worries of scratches or corrosion. Let's dive deeper into how it performs in real-life scenarios. In my personal experience, this cart is surprisingly easy to incorporate into my beauty setup. It arrived already assembled, so I didn't have to deal with any complicated instructions or extra setup time. The soft PU cushion is gentle on the feet, making it the perfect spot for a relaxing foot massage. I've used it during both my professional nail services and at-home pedicures, and it performed consistently well in both settings. The foldable design of the manicure board was particularly helpful when I needed to switch between nail art and foot care. There's no need to shuffle things around. And when I was working on foot massages or treatments, I could lock the wheels in place, ensuring that the cart didn't move or slide during use. It's sturdy enough to hold a nail lamp, making it convenient for my entire process to flow seamlessly. But as with any product, it's important to consider both the pros and the cons. On the plus side, the OmySalon Pedicure Cart is incredibly versatile. The folding board and PU cushion combo are excellent features for someone like me who's juggling multiple beauty services. The anti-collision design is a thoughtful touch, particularly for safety and ease of movement, and I can see this cart being very helpful in busy environments like salons or spas. The wheels are smooth and easy to maneuver, which is crucial when moving between different stations. On the flip side, the cart's weight might be an issue if you're looking for something ultra-light and portable. While it's durable and sturdy, some may find it a bit heavier than expected when moving it around. Also, the cushion is comfortable, but I did find it slightly firm after longer periods of use. Something to consider if you're looking for a more plush experience. Now, let's talk about value for money. Considering its build quality, ease of use, and multifunctional design, the OmySalon Pedicure Cart feels like a solid investment. For those in the beauty industry, it's an excellent piece of equipment that can withstand constant use. However, if you're just looking for something simple and portable for at-home use, you might find it a bit on the pricier side for what it offers. When comparing it to other similar products, there are some that may come at a lower price point, but they often lack the robust features that this cart provides, like the locking wheels and the anti-collision design. If you're looking for a professional-grade cart, this one is a great option, but there are other cheaper alternatives that could suit those on a budget without the added premium features. The build quality of this cart is impressive. The materials feel solid, and I expect it to hold up well over time, even with heavy use. The locking wheels are a great feature for ensuring that the cart stays in place, especially when you're working with potentially messy products like foot soaks or lotions. I appreciate that it's built to last, and I can see this being a long-term addition to my setup. Customer support has been excellent, responsive, and friendly when I reached out with a few questions regarding the cart's usage. It's always a relief to work with a brand that stands behind its product, and I've heard positive feedback from other users regarding their support as well. So, what's the final verdict? The OmySalon Pedicure Cart Foot Bath Trolley is a well-built, multifunctional addition to any beauty space. Whether you're using it for professional pedicures or creating a spa-like experience at home, it offers a lot of value. Its sturdy build, practical features, and ease of use make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their foot care routine. That said, if you're on the hunt for something more budget-friendly, There are other options out there, but they might lack the added features that make this cart stand out. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. And as always, thanks for tuning in. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.